You just found the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, navigation system, heated rear seat, power passenger seat. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.